Time once again to oil my boost block. I use the mystery oil. It's great stuff. All we do is take this mystery oil, squeeze a little bit on, kind of a circular motion, and use a plastic bag. Rub it around, circular motion. This is going to do a couple things. The first thing is it's going to protect and seal my butcher block, keeping out humidity and moisture and making it more impervious towards juices and foods. So it does a lot of things actually, and most of all it makes it look really good, and it's maintaining it. So this is it. I'm about all done. I throw the bag in my recycle bin, and then by tomorrow this baby will be totally dry, absorbs all the oil that you give it. ChefDepot.com. 50,000 high-quality chef tools, knives, butcher blocks, pots, pans, cutlery, you name it, in stock, fast shipping. 10-grain maple butcher block, chopping block, or cutting board. This one here is 18 by 18 by 4. It's got a radius top edge. It's got a radius bottom edge. It's made here in the United States to keep the quality up, highest quality cutting board made, and keep the cost down. Rock maple is amazing. It's got natural properties to kill bacteria and germs. You just cut and chop and cook on there. You can use this cutting board for the next 50 years. This will be handed down to generations as long as you take care of it. It's what it's all about, is maintenance and taking care of your block. Boiling it monthly and keeping it dry to keep it out of the sink.